Today's project, Super Bowl. Out on the floor we have our bowls, which are the hula hoops. We're going to split the students into 6 different groups. At each group, students will have their vegetable, which is their ball. They're going to roll their vegetable going down the table to try to get it into one of the empty bowls. If they roll it and it lands in one of the bowls, they'll go and collect that bowl, bring it back, and they'll put it around their cone to see how many they can collect. If it doesn't land in one of them, then they'll go and collect the ball, bring it back to the next person. We're trying to see who can collect the most bowls today.